Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is steps of designing a DIT flow graph. In this class you will be understanding what are the 10 different steps for drawing DIT flow graph. You can draw it for 2 point, 4 point, 8 point, 16 point and so on. Okay, let us start with the steps of Radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. As you know, DIT stands for decimation in time. FFT is fast Fourier transform. So DIT FFT is used for the computation of DFTs. What's the first step? The first step is the number of input samples. Capital N is to be represented in the form of 2 to the power capital M. The number of input samples, capital N is equal to 2 to the power capital M, where capital M is an integer. Second point, the input sequence is shuffled through the bit reversal. In DIT flow graph, the input sequence is bit reversal and output sequence is in natural order. So first point is capital N is equal to 2 to the power of M, where capital M is the number of stages. The third step is the number of stages in the flow graph. Capital M is equal to log n to the base 2. The fourth step is each stage consists of capital N by 2 butterflies. Each stage will comprise of n by 2 butterflies. Fifth point is input and output for each butterfly are separated by 2 to the power of m minus 1 samples, where small m represents the stage index. That is, for first stage, small m value will be 1. For second stage, small m value will be 2. So input output for each butterfly is separated by 2 to the power of m minus 1, where m indicates the stage index. Capital M is number of stages, small m is the stage index. Sixth point is the number of complex multiplications is given by n by 2 log n to the base 2. Seventh point, the number of complex additions is given by n log n to the base 2. So while drawing a flow graph, you have to know about the twiddle factor, which the twiddle factor is computed by the 8th point. The twiddle factor exponent are function of the stage index. Twiddle factor exponents are function of the stage index small m and is given by, the twiddle factor is denoted by small k. Its formula is given by capital N cos n dot t by 2 to the power of small m, where small m indicates the stage index. Capital N is the length of the sequence and t is varying from 0 to 2 minus m minus 1 minus of 1. So twiddle factor is computed by the formula capital NT by 2 to the power of m. The ninth point is the number of sets or sections of butterfly in each stage is given by 2 to the power of capital M minus small m. The number of stages or sections of butterfly in each stage is given by 2 to the power of m minus small m, where m indicates the, capital M indicates the number of stages, small m indicates the stage index. For stage 1, small m value is how much? 1. The 10th point is exponent repeat factor, that is how many times the twiddle factor is repeated. The exponent repeat factor ERF, which is the number of times the exponent sequence associated with small m is repeated and is given by the formula 2 to the power of capital M minus small m, where capital M indicates number of stages, small m indicates the its stage index. By following these 10 steps, you can easily draw the flow graph for DIT. In the next class, we will be seeing how to draw the flow graphs using these steps. So you have to remember these 10 steps for drawing the radix to DIT FFT algorithm. Thank you. Good luck, students. Post your queries in the comment section.